In 1865, Gregor Mendel looked at a garden and saw a digital code. He proposed particulate factors, units of inheritance that didn't blend like paint, but shuffled like cards. But Mendel was a man ahead of his time. He described the logic of the software before we had the hardware. To understand Mendel today, we have to look at the mechanical certainty of the chromosome. The code of life was written long before we learned how to read it.
All the cells are in diploid state. You carry two versions of every gene, one from each parent. Mendel's first law, segregation, is just a description of a forced divorce. All the cells are in diploid state. You carry two versions of every gene, one from each parent.
Next, independent assortment. This law is written on the equatorial line of metaphase 1. The way one pair of chromosomes aligns has zero influence on the pair next to it. It's a random 50-50 flip. This creates over 8 million possible combinations in human gametes, unless the genes are linked on the same chromosome. Even then, the crossing over in prophase 1 can snap those links, ensuring the deck stays shuffled.
Finally, the principle of dominance. In the noir of the cell, dominance isn't about strength, it's about function. A dominant allele is typically a wild-type blueprint that builds a working protein. A recessive allele is often a loss-of-function mutation. In a heterozygote, that one functional allele usually produces enough protein to reach a phenotypic threshold. You taste the bitterness of PTC not because the dominant gene won, but because it was the only one that built a working receptor.
Mendel found the logic. Meiosis provides the hardware. The result is you. Stop idling. Start observing. Subscribe BioAnsy.